Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ya ke program Pulse Polio Immunization ni ke Jingai Dawai Polio balai Sngi lenter ya baro ki khna po sanstam karta ke bal penyat de ke District Medical and Health Officer Wjhd sedang ya ka khat sandrik no pra halum kerbyang Urban Public Health Center Dawai. Ya ke ni ke program la play de ke Emilia CH Momin MCS Assistant Commissioner Wjhd kum ka kongsan hak jingalang ke bal penyat de ke Dr. P Shila DMHO Wjhd Balayo ke jingkran pedang na ke Dr. Wjhd District Immunization Officer Wjhd. Ke Dr. S. Surong Pediatrician MCH Panalia Dawai habakran halor ke polio immunization program kalong maka jingpang polio ke de ke jingpang ke bayabit bat omdan Dawai balak ban sumar lada om shimkhya niyada kat badang biang kepor bat kala ru ban poi wa chak jing ngosi khamtam mi ki khna ki bahapo san snam karta Kadkum kisah satar ke Dr. Surong kalong bagari India mentala khatlai snam nadu snam aja khatsal lepin benaya ka kum ke polio free country bat kemud keni ke jingpang keladu jan bat omdon shu ki khna ki bayo e keni ke jingpang hendai na ki daw jong kiri ki pamarjan ki dangdon ni keni ke jingpang nakliang ka sarkar ka shimkhya bat beteng ban penong ya ka polio immunization program na kisnam shakisnam shu kalong ru bakrukom ai dawai polio kalong arjat ke wei ke dek bapendi bat kawai ke ba ai inject ke balong da ke rutin ke Dr. S. Surong ke loong ru bagi lat jingada ban light na ke jingyo ya ke jingpang polio de banlong ki balek khot ya ki umbam umdi ki jaka syong jaka sa kumju ki bam ki di ba ai ya ki khon ki kti ka Emilia CH Momin MCS Assistant Commissioner Wjhd kum ke kongsan kalau kentu ki pat ba ban trilang ban pendong jaka polio immunization program hapo ke district ke job bat ke bayat bet jadenti bat kum kadak ke jingple kan ke program kalau penjau dawai polio ru ya ki katu kan ki khlung bat khana
yang bangla
to launch the Pulse Polio Immunization Program in our district, which is a very important public health activity aimed at protecting every child below 5 from polio. I am happy to learn that today we will be opening our polio booths across the district where parents can bring their children to receive the polio drops. Following this, our dedicated teams will also carry out the house-to-house visit. DMCHO has already briefed us that although India has been declared polio-free, the risk still exists due to our population movement and the cases reported in our neighboring districts. So even a single missed child can put out many others at risk. Therefore, continued vigilance and full coverage are essential. I sincerely appreciate the efforts of our healthcare workers, Anganwadi workers, our ashas, and our volunteers, and all the departments involved. I also request the cooperation of our parents, our community leaders, and the public to support our teams and ensure that all the eligible child receives a drop. So let us continue to work together to keep our district and our child free from this very preventable disease and give our children a healthy and a safe future. Thank you. Personal hygiene mo kajing la khoi yang im man ki go khoi definitely them nor ki ten wan ta ongi em sage immunization te go em kam do man yo ye le percaya oh kita gilat le yadah ini ta go kham kong san ni ki ten wan to ga nang baga immunization go yadah go even kre ye kita ki chpai ha met yo yo le percaya ya ganiga yang jimpang tanga em na pudi yang piru snau chpang te ga kujut poliomyelitis just now peace pangate kujut polio na manda e jut la e gino jut la e on di no ai polio just now peace pangate just now bi te em na pudi yang pi berarti peace pang ni ga kujut poliomyelitis mo te ida chini se id on ka polio na mo te kujut poliomyelitis ta kujut kwa ma ha no te le ma go ta wa manda yo e ka te kujut poliomyelitis mem di sumar no te
ka wie ka la tua I kam gi mai ko yi wi yo lai yo e ka kujut to ka jinga da mo kama ong na ka thma tem em pun kre ye chi pai me na wan ka thma te la de jiao em ka thma hab em chu chi pai me te da rem no ta ka ju ko kam ye ka ni ka kujut em yang he do wan